Toka. Liz live now? Did there ever used to be anything over there?
If I knock, can you knock back? Can you do that?
Was that you, Beth?
No.
Did you hear that, Leanne?
No. I heard it. I was thinking I might have to tell Sean to shut the lights off over there, but I don't think I will have to.